Namaskar. I am Rohini Ghosh, a yoga teacher from the Yoga Institute. And today, instead of trying to control mind for sleep, we will take a smarter route, calming the body through your feet and letting sleep happen naturally. This is a body first sleep approach. Instead of trying to quiet the mind directly, you downregulate the nervous system through the feet, one of the most sensory rich and reflex connected areas of the body. The result is a natural transition into sleep, not a forced one. So, step 1, warm foot bath. Process is soak your feet in comfortably warm water. Keep the temperature soothing, not hot. It will take hardly 5 minutes. Now understand why it works. Warmth causes peripheral vasodilation, that's blood flow shifts towards the feet and away from the head. This reduces mental overactivity and creates a grounded, settled state. It also signals the nervous system that the active phase of the day is ending. Works especially well for people with racing thoughts at night, those who feel head heavy or mentally overstimulated, individuals with cold feet or poor circulations. Now, step 2, gentle foot drying and awareness. Let's understand the process. Dry your feet slowly, paying attention to the sensation of touch. At least give 1 to 2 minutes to each foot. And now, why it works. This introduces tactile awareness, which anchors attention in the body. It begins shifting you away from cognitive activity into sensory experience, an early stage of internal withdrawal, described as pratyahar in yoga. Works especially well for people who are constantly thinking or mentally engaged, high screen time users. Moving to step 3, Pada Abhyanga or foot oil massage. This process is like applying a small amount of warm oil, traditionally sesame. If not available, then you can use coconut oil also. Massage the heel, arch, ball of your foot and then toes using slow, steady strokes. Give 5 minutes at least. Now understand why this works. The feet contains dense nerve endings connected to the central nervous system. Mechanical stimulation through massage activates parasympathetic pathways, reducing stress response. From an Ayurvedic lens, this also helps balance Vata dosh, often associated with restlessness, dryness, and irregular sleep. Works especially well for insomnia or light sleep, restlessness, anxiety, or fatigue. People who feel ungrounded or depleted. Moving to step 4, marma or pressure points. Now understand the process. Apply gentle, sustained pressure to key points. Center of the sole, base of the toes, mid-heel region. Now understand why it works. These points correspond to marma zones, that's neurovascular junctions, influencing systematic function. Stimulating them enhances pranic flow and produces a reflex calming effect across organ systems. Works especially well for people with fatigue or low energy regulation, those needing deeper relaxation beyond surface level calm. Now moving to step 5, simple ankle rotations. Let's understand the process. Rotate each ankle slowly 5 to 10 times each in both directions. And now why it works? Because it releases joint stiffness, improves venous return, and clears residual physical tension accumulated throughout the day. This prevents subtle discomfort from interfering with sleep onset. Works especially well for sedentary individuals, those who stand or walk for long hours. Mild swelling or stiffness in lower limbs. Now finally, step 6, feet relaxation. It's a visualization process. So lie down and bring awareness to your feet. Feel them becoming heavy, warm and relaxed. Gradually allow that sensation to move upward through the body. Why it works? This uses bottom-up regulation. Starting from the body, rather than the mind. As sensory input it decreases and heaviness increases, the brain interprets it as safety. Initiating sleep physiology works especially well for overthinkers, people who cannot switch off at night, emotional or mental fatigue. Now understand why this routine works so effectively. First is neurological. Because of high density of sensory receptors in our feet, fast calming signals to the brain are given. Circulatory, because shifts blood flow away from the head, so reduces your mental activity. Energetic and yogic, grounds downward, moving energy and stabilizes the system. So behavioral, because it creates a consistent pre-sleep cue and conditions the body for rest. Now understand who will benefit the most. Individuals with difficulty falling asleep despite fatigue, people with high mental activity or stress, those with irregular sleep patterns, anyone exposed to prolonged screen time, individuals with vata dominant imbalance like restlessness, light sleep, dryness. This routine works not because it induces sleep directly, but because it removes the physiological barriers to sleep, allowing the process to unfold naturally. Tonight, instead of trying to sleep, just prepare your body for it and let sleep come to you. Namaskar.